Welcome to Sky Online Academy. I am here to teach you the poem Crying. Let me start. Crying. Crying or weeping is the shedding of tears in response to an emotional state, pain, or a physical irritation of the eye. Here we have the poem named Crying, written by the poet Galway Kinnell. This poem teaches the importance of crying. Let us see. Reading. Crying. Read and enjoy. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. And if people say, "Hey, what's going on up there?" Ha ha, sing back, "Happiness was hiding in the last tear. I wept it. Ha ha." The name of the poet is Galway Kinnell. Crying. Read and enjoy. Crying only a little bit is no use. The poet says to cry a lot. If you cry a little, there is no use. You must cry until your sadness, sorrow, or grief weed out from you. You must have these questions in your mind. How long should we cry? How do we know that our sorrow or sadness or grief have vanished? Here is a solution. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. The poet says you must cry until your pillow is drenched with your tears. Only then it is evident that all your sorrow or sadness or grief have vanished from you. Children, let me share few benefits you get or few benefits you gain or obtain when you cry. Crying flushes dust from your eyes. It lubricates your eyes. Also protects from infection. Crying benefits your body as well as your mind. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. Once you have shed tears, you'll calm down. In order to come back to normal state, you can have a shower. Splash, splash, splash. The word splash refers to the sound of water. When the water hits something, it produces a sound, that is splash. You can hit the water with your hands so that you will hear the splash sound and you can enjoy. But here the poet tells you to stand under the shower, also jump. If you jump, you can hear the splash of water. Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. The poet says you to open the window completely and showcase everyone that you are happy. And if people say, "Hey, what's going on up there?" And if people ask you what is going on there, what you are supposed to say? Let us see. Ha ha, sing back, "Happiness was hiding in the last tear." You can laugh and tell them that my happiness has been hidden. I brought back my happiness after letting my sorrows out through my tears. Only after my last drop of tear I brought back my happiness. I wept it. Ha ha. Again you can laugh and tell them that I shed tears and sent my sorrow out. Galway Kinnell is the name of the poet. The poet tells us a message that we must not hide our sorrow or sadness. We must let it out in the form of tears. If you hide, you might face some issues physically as well as mentally. The poet has given some suggestions to get rid from sorrow or sadness. Try to use it and be happy always. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.